Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm just making a small video in which I have a car. It's just a Mazda 323. There's a problem with white smoke. So today we are going to try this product. Let's see if it works. This is a product which comes from US. It says made in USA. Direction says added to a warm engine, and that's what I'm going to do now. Let's pour this thing in the engine of this car. Let's see if it works for us. And sorry guys for the noise, wind noise and the cars. We're just nearby a highway. Okay guys, so this is the engine of the car. This is what we are dealing with. It's 1.6 Mazda injector injection, and this is the oil which I've already opened it. Stop. We pour this thing in this warm engine. It's been warm, like I've been running it around 15 minutes from now. So let's open this thing and pour the oil, and let's see what will be the result. I've already checked, there is no blow by. The engine is good. It's just that it has some thing to do with the valves, I guess. No idea, but let's try. Let's add this thing in the engine, and hopefully it helps. Sorry guys for the video, it's not clear. I know I'm trying my best to do. I hope this video will be helpful to you guys as well. Let it run, keep this thing. Okay, it's pouring all around. Hopefully you guys can see the smoke which is coming out from the exhaust of this car. Okay guys, I'm here inside the car. I'm trying to rev it because I cannot currently drive it. I don't have any license plates, so I'll try to rev it for a few minutes and let's see if it works.